Hi. In this video we will go through 10 things to check off the list, before an online session or meeting, to have a better peace of mind. Some things that you can check right before your session and some to help you prepare in advance. A working internet connection. Check the speed on speedtest.net.
You need at least 2 megabits per second, or Mbps for short of upload, to have a stable connection in gallery view.
If you can, be connected to your router through a cable. If not, and you are on a Wi-Fi, make sure that people are not using the same Wi-Fi spot for heavy internet usage, like downloading games, watching movies, etc. Test if it's working with your phone or another computer beforehand. If you are experiencing connectivity problems, try to restart the router. To restart it, you can also just unplug it from electricity for 10 seconds. After plugged in, it restarts automatically, just give it a minute. A good camera. You don't have to have a state-of-the-art camera. Usually the ones on the laptops are okay. But if you see that there are not enough details, you can connect with your phone, which usually has a better camera. Your phone can be also used as a second camera to show pictures, texts, or maybe what you are writing something down on a paper. A good microphone. Integrated laptop microphones usually are not that great for picking up our speech, especially if we are moving our head. The best solution is to invest in a mid-range headphones with microphone, or, if you want to look more professional, in a lavalier microphone. With a mic close to your mouth, and at a constant distance, the sound will be more clear, there will be less room echo and you will be easily understood. What's in the background? See to it that there are no things that take away the focus from you. Visually, your background should be as plain as possible. If you have a bird, or a cat, or a poster or anything interesting in the background, it will take away some focus from participants that you would have to work harder to win back. Background sounds. Check that the window is closed and check for other sounds in the room. Maybe you are already used to birds chirping outside, cars on the street, or a train if you live near it. But all that sounds, even just someone talking on the phone on the other side of the room, will be picked up and amplified by your microphone and will distract your participants. Head position. The camera should be at the eye level. We look very different when we are recorded from down below or from higher up. Also, make sure that you don't have too much free space above your head. Lighting. Make sure that your face is lit enough. You can position in a way that you are facing the window or some other source of light. Sharing content. It can be really frustrating trying to find files, links, or browser tabs during the session, and the participants will feel your stress level and mirror it. Before you start, try to revisit the session and walk through what a typical lesson would be like. This will allow you to feel more comfortable with how things are done in the environment in general. Make sure you have the desired window already open before starting sharing, and an important tip is to minimize everything but the presentation file to avoid hassle later on. To avoid looking for your agenda on the screen every time you open a new tab, you can print it out so that it is always with you. Computer. Restart your computer or at least close any programs that you won't be using. That will let your computer run smoother. Yourself. Don't forget about yourself. Be well rested and don't forget a glass of water to stay hydrated and to take a sip when talking for a long time. I hope this video helped you with what you do or inspired you to try something different. If you know of someone that something in these videos would make their job easier, share the video with them. And if you have some solutions you find useful that could help others, please share them with the community in the comments so we all can benefit from each other's experiences. And thank you for making this world a better place. Bye.